Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there?
Space is a giant mystery, full of amazing things like planets, stars, and galaxies. It's bigger than you can imagine. It's like one giant playground with no swings or slides, but way cooler things to discover.
Imagine traveling to different planets, some hotter than a furnace and others colder than ice. Picture yourself floating among millions of stars, each one a giant ball of burning gas.
That's what space is all about. Adventure and endless possibilities. Are you ready to blast off on a journey through space with me? We'll explore our solar system, learn about the twinkling stars, and even discover giant groups of stars called galaxies. So buckle up, space explorers, because our adventure is about to begin.
What are you most excited to learn about space?
Let's start our journey right here in our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system.
At the center of our solar system is a star, a giant ball of burning gas that gives us light and heat. We call our star the Sun. It's so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside. Around the Sun, 8 planets orbit in a cosmic dance. Each planet follows its path, like a racetrack around the Sun. Some planets are close to the Sun, and some are far away. The closest planet is super speedy, while the farthest one takes its sweet time to go around the Sun.
Want to know a fun fact? The planets are different sizes too. Some are small and rocky, while others are gas giants bigger than you can imagine. Let's meet these fascinating planets one by one and uncover their secrets. Ready, set, blast off to the planets.
The third planet from the Sun is our home sweet home, Earth.
It's a beautiful blue and green planet teeming with life. From towering mountains to vast oceans, Earth is full of amazing places to explore. Earth is a rocky planet, which means it has a solid surface we can walk on. It's special because it has the perfect conditions for life to exist: liquid water, breathable air, and just the right temperature. Thanks to the sun's warmth and our planet's atmosphere, we can live, breathe, and play on this incredible planet.
Earth is the only planet we know of that has life. We have plants, animals, and amazing creatures of all shapes and sizes. It's our responsibility to take care of our planet and keep it healthy for future generations. After all, there's no place like home.
What's your favorite thing about living on Earth?
Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets in our solar system, each with its unique personality. Let's meet our planetary neighbors.
Mercury, the smallest and fastest planet, zipping around the sun like a race car. Venus, the hottest planet, even hotter than an oven. Mars, the red planet, known for its rusty color. Scientists believe Mars might have had water a long time ago. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, so big that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside. It's a gas giant with a giant red spot, a massive storm that's been raging for centuries. Saturn, the ringed beauty. Saturn is known for its stunning rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, the sideways planet, tilted on its side like a rolling ball. Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun, a cold and icy giant with supersonic winds.
Some planets are small and rocky like Earth, while others are gas giants with no solid surface. Each planet has its unique features, making our solar system an exciting place to explore. Which planet would you like to visit the most, and why?
Section 5. Twinkle, Twinkle, the Story of Stars. When you look up at the night sky, you see thousands of twinkling lights. Those are stars, giant balls of hot gas that shine brightly in the darkness.
They look tiny because they are very far away, but they are much bigger than our planet. Stars are like giant powerhouses, producing energy in their cores through a process called nuclear fusion.
Imagine a giant campfire, but much, much hotter. This energy travels through space as light and heat, reaching us here on Earth.
The Sun, our star, is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy. Some stars are bigger and brighter than the Sun, while others are smaller and dimmer. They come in different colors too, depending on their temperature. Hotter stars are blue-white, while cooler stars are red.
The next time you see a twinkling star, remember that it's a giant ball of burning gas, light years away, sending its light across the universe. Why do you think stars twinkle? Section 6. Galaxies, starry cities in space. Stars aren't scattered randomly throughout space. They live together in enormous groups called galaxies, like giant cities of stars.
Our galaxy is called the Milky Way, and it's a spiral galaxy, shaped like a giant pinwheel with arms spiraling outwards. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes. Some are spiral like ours, while others are elliptical like a giant football. There are even irregular galaxies with no particular shape.
Each galaxy contains billions or even trillions of stars, all held together by gravity.
Imagine yourself shrinking down to the size of an ant and then flying through the Milky Way. You would see billions of stars, glowing nebulae where new stars are born, and maybe even black holes, mysterious objects, with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape.
The universe is full of galaxies, each a vast island of stars, gas, and dust. It's hard to imagine how big the universe is, but it's a reminder that there's so much out there to explore. If you could name a new galaxy, what would you call it? Section 7. Exploring the Universe. Spaceships and Astronauts. Humans have always been fascinated by space, and over the years, we've sent spacecraft and astronauts to explore the cosmos. Rockets blast off from Earth, carrying telescopes, probes, and brave astronauts on missions to discover the secrets of the universe.
Astronauts are real-life space explorers who wear special suits to survive in the harsh conditions of space. They float in zero gravity, conduct experiments, and even walk on the moon. Imagine bouncing around on the moon where the gravity is much weaker than on Earth. That's what astronauts get to do.
We've sent spacecraft to all the planets in our solar system, and some have even traveled beyond. These robotic explorers send back incredible images and data, helping us learn more about the planets, moons, and other celestial objects in our cosmic neighborhood. Space exploration is an ongoing adventure, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future. What do you think it would be like to be an astronaut? Section 8. Space Mysteries, What We Still Don't Know. Even though we've learned a lot about space, there are still many mysteries waiting to be solved. Scientists are constantly asking questions and searching for answers to some of the universe's biggest puzzles.
For example, how did the universe begin? What is dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up most of the universe? Are there other planets out there that could support life? These are just a few of the questions that keep scientists up at night, and probably during the day too.
Space is full of surprises, and the more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. But that's what makes it so exciting. Every new discovery opens up a whole new set of questions, leading to even more exploration and discovery. What space mystery would you like to solve the most? Section 9. Want to be a space explorer? You don't have to be an astronaut to be a space explorer. You can start exploring the universe right here from Earth. All you need is curiosity, a little imagination, and maybe a few tools to help you along the way.
You can visit a planetarium or a science museum to learn more about space. Look up at the night sky with a telescope or binoculars to see planets, stars, and even the moon up close. Read books and watch documentaries about space exploration to discover the latest findings and incredible images from space.
There are also many fun activities and experiments you can do at home to learn about space. You can build a model rocket, create a constellation map, or even simulate the phases of the moon using a flashlight and a ball. The possibilities are endless. The most important thing is to never stop asking questions and exploring the world around you. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll make an amazing discovery that changes our understanding of the universe. What's one thing you can do today to learn more about space? Section 10. Keep looking up. As we conclude our journey through space, remember that the universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and excitement. From the planets in our solar system to the distant galaxies beyond, there's always something new to discover.
So, keep looking up at the stars, asking questions, and exploring the world around you. You never know what amazing discoveries await you in the vast expanse of space.
Remember, space exploration is an adventure that never ends. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop reaching for the stars.